Hey everyone, let's go to problem 36. It says solve logarithm equations, and if I just write down the logarithm equations, log 3, the base 3, and we got some lot of expressions, x plus 3 and x minus 1, right? So x plus 3 out there, and I'm adding with, yes, I'm adding with log 3 of x minus 1, and I'm subtracting this with log 3 of x plus 1, and this has to be equal to log 2025 of 2025, which is just going to be 1. So I'm just going to write it as 1. All right, so we have a lot of expressions. The adding to logarithms will be making the product of, the product of inputs, and that subtraction, you see the difference, is going to make a quotient. So in other words, if I combine all of these expressions all together, it becomes log 3 of x plus 3 times x minus 1, all right, divided out by x plus 1, eventually becomes 1. All right, so 3 to the power of 1 equals 3, right? So the whole expression that goes inside here as a polynomial quotients, well, that rational form is just going to be 3. So we get x squared, I'm just going to do the mental math out here, plus 2x minus 3 equals 3 times x plus 1. Why? Because that's a ratio between the numerator and the denominator. And if I solve this equations, I would say x squared plus 2x minus 3, and that becomes 3x plus 3. And if I move these terms around, we get x squared minus x minus, like minus 6 equals 0. I would say you can factorize this. And if you factorize all of these to polynomial, a given quadratic form, you get two solutions. We get x equals 3 or x equals negative 2, but one of them should be extraneous. Why? Because if you just check out the original expressions, whichever things that goes inside here should be always positive, right? So if you plug negative 2, oh well, it makes this positive, but negative 2 minus 1 is not going to be positive. Negative 2 plus 1 is not going to be positive, so that is extraneous. Right? So these are known as extraneous solution. And now we have x equals 3 as a valid solution. So because we needed to find out the exact solution for our equation, logarithm equation, the answer is going to be 3.